معانا بعد الممثل الوسيم الحلو أكيد اللي كلكم بتحبونه واللي أبدع فيلم Student of the Year، الوسيم والحلو والكيوت فارون دهاون اللي صار صديق البرنامج. هلو فارون.
Hello, wallah. Thank you for having me, and I want to welcome all the Middle East viewers and all the viewers from Dubai to meet them. So hello guys, how are you?
Hi, from
Hi.
Varun Dhawan.
Hi.
Varun, how is the rehearsal going on so far?
It's pretty hectic. It's like everyone knows, this is my first stage performance, so I'm a bit nervous right now.
Stressed.
Yeah, a little stressed because like everyone knows, the performance is going to take place in another 2.5 hours or so. So we're very close on the heels of the performance. But I still feel a little bit more comfortable knowing that Shamak is choreographed the whole act and he's behind it and stuff. Like
But
that.
mashallah, you are his student. This is what he
Yeah,
said.
Yes. I am a student. I did a SDIP batch of his.
Wow.
And I'll tell you the worst thing about being Shamak's student is that before you dance, you warm up, you do your stretches, you touch your legs and all that stuff. But if you're a Shamak student, if you try to reach, then you don't reach. Suppose pਹੁੰਚ नहीं
Then it's a
पाएंगे.
big musibat.
It's a big musibat because someone will come from behind and fully like, come on, like they'll want to
This
twist
is
you,
what he
break
was
you.
saying. He was saying ये चामक style है.
Shamak style का ये मतलब होता है कि मतलब you have no bones, हड्डी नहीं होती है. You have no bones. You have to be like flexible,
It's crazy.
which I'm not. So yeah.
No, mashallah, you are.
No, I'm
I
not.
saw
I'm
what
not.
you have done. I think انتوا بعد شفتوا شو اللي سووا في Student of the Year. هنا؟
It's actually all the people behind the camera. I'm not even being humble, but honestly, it's all the choreographers and the people who come and teach you. They are the people who make the song and the act and stuff.
Okay, so what are we gonna expect from Varun tomorrow, inshallah, on the stage?
Glad you actually asked this question because what you can expect is that this act has it's broken up into 4 pieces. I'm doing 4 bits in it, and there are 4 different dance forms in it. It's not only one dance form. So we start from contemporary,
Okay.
and then we go into popping, locking, and a bit of crumping in it. And the third one is hip hop, just plain hip hop. And the last one is Hindi film industry, Bollywood style,
Wow.
full power, matka jhatka type.
What will you be wearing?
Kunal Rawal has done my clothes. I don't know if you guys know him. He's a very famous designer from Paris. He's a good friend of mine as well, so he's designed the clothes. And we've actually used some very interesting I don't know why I'm talking about fabric and all. I'm not a designer. But he's used this fabric which stretches 4 sides. So if you pull me from any side, the fabric will come back in place.
So what do you want to say about what's gonna be special in this Z Cine Award of 2013? Even though this is your first Z Cine Award.
My first ZCA awards. Special, I think it's 100 years of Indian cinema. So I think that in itself is a very special thing, and so many people, Abhishek and Ritesh, are hosting the show for the first time. So that's another very special thing. And I think that, Shamak has done a really good job with all the acts. He's not, everything is not only people think Shamak style. He's really he's gone out there and he's choreographed acts in a very different ways. Flipped the concept over his head. And there's a small surprise also at the end of my act.
Okay, surprise.
There is a surprise.
Yes, please tell us.
If I say it, then how will it be a
No,
surprise?
okay, Tora.
There'll be someone else joining me on stage as soon as my act gets over, and there'll be a small jugalbandi with him of 2 songs which we both will do.
Male या female?
अभी ये बोल दिया तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा आप लोगों को.
اوكي لازم تتريوا تشوفون زي سنة أورد عشان تشوفون فارون من هذه male يا female. We don't know. So apart from dancing, there will be any drama sequence or something like this?
No drama sequence or anything like that, but I'm sure some impromptu thing or the other, कुछ ना कुछ तो रहेगा, because that's the way they do these awards. Something or the other will do. And this time actually very interesting categories are there for best actor, best debut actor, which I'm nominated in as well. And I think we've had great songs this year.
What do you want to say to all the Arabic viewers that love what Varun has done in Student of the Year? And what do you want to say to them for Z Cine Award 2013, please?
I just want to say a big thank you, and thank you for all the support for Student of the Year. And please come and watch the ZCA Awards. I'm sure they'll be showing in Dubai or in all other parts of the Middle East. And you'll have fun because I've given it my all. And people who don't like me also watch it, because maybe you do start liking me and not start hating me more. So go there and watch it. Hopefully you like it. Thank you.
Okay. Everyone loves you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.